What happens if we push pencils through a bag full of water?
Let's find out.
Wait, why isn't the water spilling out?
The secret lies in the bag's material, polyethylene plastic.
Polyethylene is a polymer made of repeating units of ethylene molecules.
When the sharp pencils passes through the bag, the chains stretch and separate just enough to let the pencil through.
Instead of tearing apart completely, the polymer chains wrap tightly around the pencil.
This creates a seal with almost no space for water to escape.
What happens if we pull the pencils out? Although the polymer chains try to move back into place, they cannot completely close the hole.
This creates a path for the water to escape.
Water also exerts pressure equally in all directions, a property explained by Pascal's principle. Similar polymer properties are used in everyday products such as food packaging, waterproof seals, flexible pipes.
Science isn't magic, it's polymer science in action.